Hi there! In this video I'm going to show you how to make the waistcoat stitch. Here you can see I have some waistcoat stitches and some regular single crochets. The waistcoat stitch has a little bit less stretch than our normal single crochets, so I'm using it on this cat cozy pattern to hold the weight of the water bottle a little better than our regular stitches. Here I've made some normal single crochets, and here are some waistcoat single crochets. When we make a normal single crochet, we work under the two top loops of the stitch to make a single crochet. For a waistcoat stitch, we are going to work between the V. We're going to insert our hook between the V and then exit on the back between the legs of the stitch and under the bar. So let's make a waistcoat stitch. Insert between the V and exit between the legs. And there's a waistcoat stitch. Again, between the V on the front and under the bar and between the legs on the back. So this just makes a neater, tighter stitch, and it looks like a knit stitch. So that's a waistcoat stitch. Now for the strap for this cat bag, I've used waistcoat stitches as well. However, if you see yours start leaning, instead of going directly through the legs on the back side of the stitch, you can make your hook come out just to the side of the legs, and that'll keep that from leaning too much on the strap. So just to the side of those legs, only under that back bar. If you see yours is leaning. Mine was leaning a little bit, so I do this. So a normal waistcoat in the middle of the V, in the middle of the legs. So that's a waistcoat stitch. I hope you found this helpful.